How's this? How's this? Nice reaction.
Wow.
Nice, huh?
अभी बस करो ना irritate कितना
I'm showing you
अरे
something.
मत करो ये सब. कुछ भी टूटेगा तो लैंडलॉर्ड अंकल आके मारेंगे.
If you don't get this, why does he buy his cricket stuff for his kids if he doesn't want them to play?
अरे buying bat and ball doesn't mean that he has allowed the kids to turn the house into a cricket maidan, right? You remember how much security we have given. Not a single paisa will come back if the kids break anything.
I know. Still, kids are kids, no? Society already doesn't allow them to play in compound. And because of COVID, even parks are tricky. Where should kids go and play then?
I know. Have you ever thought about it though?
What? Kids? Aman, we have talked about it. I need a couple of more years before we can start planning a family.
I know. Not kids, Ray. But about buying a house. It's not for living. Then maybe for an investment?
Do you really think this is a good time to invest in real estate? Plus, we don't get six-figure salaries too, Aman.
Arey, I know. But shouldn't we start planning for our own house? Real estate investments are important for our future too, Rachna.
I understand, but why to hurry? Think about it. We still have couple of years before we start our family. And finding a right house is not as simple. Locating a house in a decent area with school, market in the vicinity, and we have to consider its distance from our office too. God, please no, it's a big headache.
That is why I want to start a house hunting right away.
Dick, I agree that we should buy a house, but I would wait for the budget.
What's budget got to do with buying a house?
Aman, it's not just about buying a house. You realize it, it's about finance too. The budget this year is expected to give major relief and tax benefits to the real estate sector. This may bring down prices. Plus, some special subsidy scheme may be announced to boost real estate sector in order to create jobs. This may further reduce our financial burden.
अरे वाह मेरी इकोनॉमिस्ट पत्नी जी. Any more reasons to wait for the budget?
मजाक मत उड़ाओ अमन. But yes, there are. We need to do financial plannings too. We would have to decide on home loan in accordance with our salaries so that EMIs don't eat into our essential expenses. The budget is expected to raise tax exemption limits on personal income tax and on the housing loans too. Also, new tax deductions may be announced to increase disposable income in hands of people so as to create demands in economy. So waiting for budget makes a sense. Maybe with expected relief, we may be able to afford a bungalow.
यार मैं बेहोश हो जाऊंगा तुम्हारा ज्ञान सुनकर.
Badmash, you're pulling my legs now.
No, sweetheart. I'm really in awe. I appreciate your knowledge. Now I have decided not only to wait for budget, but also that the new house in your name, Rachna.
बच्चे, मुझे बेवकूफ मत समझो. I know that in Delhi, stamp duty is less if a house is registered in woman's name. So you would be saving money, not doing me a favor. Ha
Ha. I knew you would be knowing about this aspect too. That we are waiting for the budget.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all related documents carefully before investing.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to never miss an update from ICICI Direct.